Hey, it's Aaliyah and I'm back at it again. I'm making cinnamon rolls with ice for the win, yeah. Milk and eggs, beat to Michael Jackson. Flour, salt, and sugar, baking powder for some action. Melt your butter for a while, and mix it all together like it's going out of style. We all gotta work hard cause we need our dough. It may get sticky, but don't give up, let's go. Yeah, fold it up, but never fold. And no, I'm not to talk about the cinnamon rolls. Now let that sit. Next step, make a filling. Brown and white sugar, cinnamon, melted butter. Mix it all together, don't forget your vanilla. Yes, this looks a little ghetto, but I'ma just call it innovative. Hello. Now roll your dough into a rectangle. It's gonna be a little work, so expect a tangle. Yeah, now once you get your shape, add your filling to it, spread it like it's icing on the cake, yeah. I said icing on the cake, yeah. Spread it that too like it's icing on the cake, yeah, yeah. Now cinnamon roll it, now cinnamon roll it, now cinnamon roll it, now cinnamon roll it. I said roll it like a roll it, yeah, roll it like a roll it, roll it, roll it, roll it, I roll it like a roll it, yeah. Divide and conquer, I'm about to show a trick, oh Lord, please stop her. Get you some dental floss, I'm finna show you how to cut your dough up like a boss, good God. It's easy as 1, 2, 3. Cross it and look at me. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now it's time to get cooking. Butter up your pan. Look how good they looking. 375 preheat. 25 minutes is all you're gonna need. If you decide to make your icing, melted butter, milk, powder, sugar are the right things. And make sure you drop it like it's high. Get it everywhere, go ahead, don't stop. And if you don't want that, cream cheese frosting tastes so good. Tastes so good, it's exhausting. And that's how you do it. Do it. Tastes so good, make you wanna slap your baby daddy, slap your mama, slap god dang everybody. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha.